welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my monthly favorites, things that I have been loving for the month of June. So without further ado and much rambling, let's get started. So first off, the bag that I have been loving lately is my backpack. This looks very cute and I am in love with this bag. So this is how it looks. It has this dog charm hanging off of it, and this is the bag. This is like a backpack, like you can see, and it can hold your entire world inside of this one. And this is so trendy and this is so cute. This is very small. I'm only 5'3", so this is something suits me completely and looks cute at the same time. So this is the bag that I've been loving for the month of June. Beauty product that I have been loving for the month of June is this one. This I recently hauled. This is an oil eliminator 24-hour anti-shine moisturizer, and this is like, I swear by it. This is one of the best product that I have ever purchased. It keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized, and on top of this I use a UV protector. So this is my beauty product of the month. Apart from this one, there is something else that I have been loving as well, which is aloe vera. Aloe vera is such a blessing. You can use it on your skin. It will help the skin to glow. You can use it on your hair as well. It will give you a beautiful shine and it will help in your hair growth. Jewelry that I have been loving for the month of June are hoops. I am wearing one right now. This is in rose gold. They're pretty huge because I have a round face, so I use big hoops. And this is in rose gold, and I have another one which is in silver. They are pretty huge as well, and I have been loving this jewelry item. And apart from that, I have been reaching out for these jhumkas as well. This is how they look. It's in black polish, and I wear them with my western outfit too, and they look pretty cute. So yeah, this is my second jewelry for the month of June that I have been loving. The next item is something that I cannot survive without, and yes, you have guessed it right, it's lipstick. This is from Huda Beauty. This is not an original Huda lipstick. I got this from Bangkok, and this has a very offbeat color. It looks like this. This is neither brown nor magenta nor mauve. This is a very typical, it has a very typical color to it, and it looks absolutely beautiful with any color outfit that you wear. So this is my lipstick of the month. The hair accessory or the hair product that I have been loving for the month of June is my hair straightener. This is from Philips, and this is a brush straightener. All you have to do is plug it in and comb through your hair, and they will give you a very natural looking straightened hair. If you're someone who loves to straighten their hair, if you have curly or wavy hair and you do not want to use harsh chemicals on your hair, then go ahead and purchase this Philips straightener, and this will give you a very natural looking straightened hair. Perfume of the month is going to be this one. This is by Ralph Lauren, and it is called Romance. It's slightly beaten up. I'm sorry about that. I have been using it quite often. Like you can see, I've used this much, and it has such a romantic smell to it. So this is named appropriately. It's called Romance. So the app of the month is this weather channel. Like you can see, I stay in mid-levels in Hong Kong, and it is raining cats and dogs over here because this is the monsoon time, and we have typhoon forecast. So this is how the weather is like right now, and this app will give you the hourly weather report, and it will also give you the weather report for 14 days. So this is how the app looks. It looks very animated because, like you can see the water droplets and everything. So this is pretty cool, and this is the app of the month for the month of June. So those were all the items that I have been loving for the month of June, and if you liked any of the products, you can certainly purchase them for yourself. And with this, we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, do not forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. And I'll see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.